We are going to design find class. There are 3 constants with looks like a 4 data field, then constructors and then methods, and then we need to create 2 find objects with specific data sets. Let's create a find class. Okay, the find class has speed, then on, radius, color. So speed is integer, default value is slow, which is constant. So final int slow equal to 1. Then we are going to have medium, number 2. Then the fast, which is 3. Okay, we are going to have speed, on, and radius, color. Boolean on, let's say false, that's default value. Double radius, default value is 5. String color, Ascent is blue. Next one is get and set methods, and then constructors. Normally I will declare constructor first and then method later on. So default constructor, same as class name, no implementation inside, with 2 parameters. One of them happen to be radius and color. So radius is double, and the color string, new color. So radius equal to new radius, color equal to new color when you use this constructor. Okay, let's start with the methods. Get speed, return speed, okay, void set speed, int new speed, speed equal to new speed. So we can assign new speed for the fan. Okay, I will continue. Next one will be public Boolean. I will just use the same name. Okay, get on. Normally we say is on or turn on, something more meaningful, but let me just use it. Get and set names. Set on. I think the better name possibly turn on. On equal to new on. Radius. Public double get radius. return radius, void set radius, double set, new radius, radius equal to new radius. Okay, one more to go. String, get color, return color, public void, set color, string new color, color equal to new color. Okay, we need to do one more. I think that's what we call it as toString. Return string description of the fan object. So here public string toString. And let me start with simple. Okay, so it will be easier to identify. Speed equal or just use the same name on radius, then color. Okay, seems okay. Okay, toString method. Okay, let's create a test program. Public static void main. There will be two objects, fan1 with the new operator constructor. Let me use default constructor for now. Then use the method to set that value. So second object, fan2, I'm going to use the second constructor. One of them happen to be radius and then color. So radius should be 5, color should be blue. Okay. Okay, let's say input, then process, and then output. Output toString. It will return string value, so we have to print. Then we do the same thing for fan object number 2. Okay, the speed is maximum for first object. So we are talking about the speed. Here we need to use static. So we can call that constants with the name of the class. Okay. So set speed. Then inside we can reverse to that constants class name and then fast, which is number 3. Okay, now we are looking at the radius 10. Set radius 10. Okay, now we are going to look at color. That's yellow. And then last one, set on, which is true. That's for the first object. For second object, okay, we are going to make a decision: speed, medium. Already know the radius and then color, so we say set on, false. I think that's it. So let me just move. It seems to be a process, okay, not the actual inputs. Input, there are two objects. So let me copy F1. Setting new value consider as an input, okay, for object. So let's copy. Cut and paste. Something to do with F1. That's the F2. And let me just remove the space. So we created two objects as input and set the value as a process, and then we print what's inside the object. Okay, the speed, the first one, speed 3 means the fast. Fan is on, true, 10.0, color is yellow, medium, okay, is radius is 5, is turned off, so supposed to be the false, and color is blue. I think that's all. Thank you.